About to present a research study of the emotional status of a parent having an autistic child. We all know that having a child with autism is a hard pill to swallow or accept by their parents. And by the help of this research, we are able to show you the different range of feelings that they are experiencing. And we will give you answers and further informations about this presentation. Recommendations. Parents must extend their patience when their autistic child are having tantrums. Parents must send their autistic child in special school to be able to enhance their self on interacting normal people. Parents must be optimistic despite the situation of having an autistic child. Parents must attend seminars, organizations that can help on rearing an autistic child. Parents must bring their child to socialize with normal people. Parents must support their autistic child to pursue his/her talent interest. Parents must accept the condition of their autistic child. Parents must be more affectionate of their child. Parents must know about their child's therapist doing in their session so they can use same technique at home.
Parents must pay attention to nonverbal clues that their child so they can react appropriately in a timely fashion. Parents must watch the facial expression of their to anticipate their action. Parents must deal with the issues associated the child's disability and also maintain the household. Parents must take some time to care for themselves as individuals, getting enough sleep, eating regular meals, taking a short walk, and doing the things that they really enjoy. Parents must be tremendously helpful. Parents must be number of options for action. Parents must change the underlying truth that autism is here to stay. Parents must cope better with the emotional strain. Parents of children with special needs definitely face more difficult than parents of normal children.